Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by plugging your Redmi into the PC with a good cable and unlocking the phone. This gives the system permission to change connection modes. Once done, swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings and tap the USB notification to reveal options. You need to select the data transfer or tethering capable mode rather than charging only. Do this now because switching modes is what enables the tethering toggle to appear in system settings and lets your PC detect the network interface. You navigate to Settings, then Connection and Sharing or Network and Internet on some MIUI versions, because tethering lives inside connectivity menus. Once there, tap Portable Hotspot and Tethering to reveal Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB options. Make sure the phone still shows an active USB connection. The USB tethering switch appears only when the device is connected to a computer. If you don't see it, replug the cable or change the USB mode to File Transfer. This forces the option to become available. You toggle USB tethering on and then watch your PC for a new Ethernet adapter or network connection. This is how your computer uses the phone's mobile data. If nothing happens, make sure the PC has proper drivers or try another USB port and cable, because a faulty cable often blocks data. If you see limited connectivity, check your carrier's APN settings or data plan restrictions. Finally, disable VPNs or airplane mode on the phone. These can block tethering even when the toggle is active.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.